Today on Veterans Stand-up, I'm talking with Jim Gfrerer. Jim's a technology executive who's worked both in the private and public sector. And part of what we're doing on Veterans Stand-up is bringing information to our veterans to help them expand their economic opportunities. Obviously, they use technology and many work in technology. So Jim, let's start with the veteran. What new things in technology can they expect in their life?
Well, Paul, I think what you'll see is a continued advance of commercial financial sector features, and really it'll give the veterans the ability on mobile devices and lots of other channels for better kind of in-term visibility of their claims and their benefits, but also to be able to apply and then make changes online with those benefits via very easy means.
Yeah, I've noticed a lot in the financial services. I used to be able to just check my balance. Now I can do so much more. Is that what's coming across all the different things?
That's exactly right. And really for the complex things that we do for government with citizen and veteran services, it requires some configuration, but that's coming.
Now, how about in terms of interesting things that are coming from companies and organizations? What can they expect?
Yeah, well, especially around healthcare, right? I mean, you're going to see a continued march of, telehealth is kind of yesterday's news. And when you look at commercial healthcare entities, it's really about care from the home, remote patient monitoring. So veterans are able to, as we know, there's a lot of benefits of remaining in the home and not even having an outpatient visit, but to be able to do things from the home. Technology prices have gone down with a lot of these systems, and so the return on investment is rationalized with that infrastructure.
So it's interesting to think maybe one day in the future we won't be going to doctors. They'll have stuff in the house that can see what's going on.
That's exactly right. And when you talk to most providers, the opportunities, the risk of someone deteriorating quickly is very limited. So with that remote patient monitoring, with that care from the home, you have plenty of time to go in and be seen as needed.
Well, that's interesting. Well, Jim, you're a technology influencer, but who do you follow to keep up on what's going on?
Absolutely. Well, I mean, some of my favorites are Dr. John Halamka at Mayo Platforms and the great things that they're doing with Mayo Clinic and their system. Certainly Lisa Kaplan, who's the Executive Vice President for Technology at HIMSS, which is the Healthcare Information Management Systems Society, big conference coming up next month. Really on the cutting edge of all of the advancement you see in the health sector.
And we'll put their LinkedIn links in this video so the people can follow that. So thank you very much, Jim. Follow Jim on LinkedIn and then follow me to keep up with great veterans content.